Hello, everyone. Tonight I'll be reading you a Busan folktale. Shall we begin? If we're together, we find courage. The story of Busan's Mandeok Pass. A long time ago in Busan, there was a beautiful mountain pass. Its name was Mandeok Pass. The pass was winding and long. It was so high it seemed to touch the sky. Tall trees grew there. Little squirrels lived there, and pretty birds came every day to sing. But Mandeok Pass was also home to fearsome thieves. When night fell, the thieves would appear and trouble travelers. As the sun dipped toward the horizon, people would say, "Hurry, the sun is setting. When it's dark, the thieves will come." The thieves were terrifying, truly, truly terrifying. They would wait for darkness to fall, then shout, "Stop! Hand over everything you've got. Your money, your food, give it all to us." People would tremble in fear, too scared to resist. One day, some townsfolk were returning home from the market after selling their goods. But the sun had already set, and the pass was dark. "What if the thieves show up?" they whispered. Then, from far away came a loud noise. It was the fearsome thieves. "Don't move. Hand over all your money and goods." Everyone shook in terror. Just then, an old man stepped out from among the people. He was short, thin, and looked weak. The thieves laughed. "Ha ha ha! Do you think this frail old man can stop us?" They kicked him, wham, and sent him flying. The old man soared high into the air. "Ha ha ha! No strength at all." The people gasped, worried for him. "Oh no, Grandpa, are you all right?" But at that moment, the old man came back. His eyes flashed like lightning. His voice boomed. "You wicked thieves! Don't you dare harm these helpless people." With his bony hands, he gave one thief a single push, and the thief went crashing to the ground. Everyone was stunned. Even the thieves were shocked. "Ah, a monster! Run!" And they ran far, far away. The skinny old man said, "Alone, it's easy to be afraid, but together we can be brave. True strength isn't about appearances." From then on, people could cross the pass safely, bravely, and together. The name Mandeok Pass is said to come from the idea that it was safest to cross when 10,000 people gathered together. Today, there's a tunnel, so you don't need to climb the pass anymore. But hidden in Mandeok Pass is an old legend that teaches courage and wisdom. When we are together, we can be brave. Brave friends, let's stick together. Let's walk forward side by side. Did you enjoy the story? Let's dim the lights and sweet dreams. Lightning. Laugh. money, monster, squirrel, sing, sun, strength, thief, thieves, terrifying, tunnel, whisper, wisdom, wham, pass, pass,